Hey guys, what's up? It's Lindsay again, and today is Vlogmas Day 3. I had trouble uploading my first Vlogmas, so I don't know how uploading is going to go because it took like 24 hours to upload one video at my house. So we'll see how it goes, but I'm going to try and post the videos as soon as I can and edit them so they have the most time to upload. But I'm sorry for the bad lighting. The sun is set and I needed to film a video. So I got a new phone 2 days ago. But yeah, anyway, hi, my name's Lindsay. If you're new here, I love you to subscribe. But I'm going to be doing an iPhone unboxing, an iPhone 11. I have the black iPhone 11 with thumbnail time. Yeah, because I had an iPhone 8 and then I had that for 2 years, so it's time to upgrade. So I got the 11. It's honestly the perfect size because the big one, I don't know. I probably would have been okay with it, but it was just really big and I feel like it wouldn't fit in any of my pockets or anything, and this was like a perfect size. And I love the black because it's like black. It's not like space gray, it's black, and it has the 2 cameras. I normally get lighter colored iPhones, so this is kind of new for me. Not that that matters, but my battery is going to die apparently. I guess because I've been filming a lot, but if it dies I'll plug it in and then we'll finish the video. But I just got the 11, so this is not going to be a professional unboxing, it's just going to be me. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's funny. It has like a little indent there for the camera because it comes face up like this, face down. And there's no cover on the back of it. There's only a cover on the front of it. I already have set it up and stuff. I thought I'd just pretend that it was an unboxing, but it's like this. This is it compared to my hand. And I feel like it's just like a really good size. I'm still waiting on a case that I'm getting from Amazon in the mail, and I haven't taken the screen cover thing off yet, as you can see here, because I'm scared I'm gonna drop it and it's not gonna be covered. And anyway, but yeah, it just comes in the box. Obviously it comes with the instructions and stuff and stickers. I don't know why they give you stickers, like who uses the stickers? And it comes with the regular charger. I know the bigger ones came with the new like faster charger than this one, but it's just like the block cube. And then it comes with headphones, the ear pods, just neat. And then it comes with just the basic lightning cable. I'm in the box like this. But yeah, that's what it comes with. So I'll kind of show you like when you turn it on. It has Face ID, which is pretty neat. So you just obviously, oh my gosh, you see, but it looks like this. Here's the size compared to my face. But yeah, it's like a really great size, and I want to do like a video filmed on my iPhone 11 just to see the quality of it, but the quality is so good. It's a wide angle camera, so it has the 2 cameras at the back here. I don't know which one's which, but it has the 2 cameras. Which is, one is wide angle, one's regular obviously, in the back. And the one thing about the black, you can see fingerprints really easily. So I won't suggest a clear case. I think I got a blue case. But it's really like a nice glass back on it, and it's like this. This is if you're wanting the size, it's a 6.1 inch screen, which means it's from like corner to corner. But yeah, it's really fast. It's not, I don't even know the specifications, but I know the camera at the front is 12 megapixels instead of 7 from last year, which is a big step up because I was considering the XS Max. But I was okay with this one because it had a better camera and that one was bigger. And this is just like a really good size. I wish they came out with the Pro Max in this size because it's just like right in the middle between the smallest and the biggest size. But yeah, that is basically it. I'm really scared my camera's gonna die because it's flashing on me. So that was just my quick unboxing. I don't know. Just thought it was fun to share, a fun little just a short video. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you tomorrow. I'll probably have another thrift haul because I went thrifting that night that I went thrifting, so. And I'm gonna have some more sewing videos soon, so I'm really excited to do those. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye. Oh, baby.